Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita. Guys, in today's video we will be stopping by Homegoods for a quick stop. I'm looking for something in particular. Let's see if I find it. Take a look with me. my friends, I do hope you enjoy that little shop with me at Home Goods. They have a lot of cute, beautiful decor, guys, but I only went to purchase some particular things, guys, but I'm not going to show them to you yet because I have a DIY that I want you to see. So I'm going to insert the video that I did for the DIY in this one, and then I'll do the shopping haul on the next video, my friend. So stay tuned to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Decor and DIY family. I would love to have you here, and guess what? You will love it here too. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this transformation that I'm about to show you. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I'm gonna be spray painting this in black. Bought this from the thrift store back when I used to thrift a lot. This was in red, then I spray painted it gold. Now I'm gonna put it in black. So a quick way that you could upgrade your decor is to spray paint it, guys. See, it was red, then gold, now it's gonna go in black. I'm just cleaning it down to make sure there's any, make sure I get rid of any dust that is on it. Then I'm gonna also be spray painting these. I'm gonna also be spray painting these in black. These are brown, then I put them in gold, and now they're gonna go in black. And I'm just wiping off all the dust that has been accumulated, because this been at the wall for years now, like good couple of years. Bought these at a thrift store as well. These I bought the pair. It's two of them, guys. You know them. This is always on the wall, on the opposite side of my window. Yeah, so I'm doing black, gold, and white in the living room. I'm changing up things, guys. Wait until you see what I purchased from Ross. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna be doing a little haul. I'm gonna try to do it later on. If I don't do it later on, I'll do it and I'll do it tomorrow. But guys, I'm going to be spray painting this in black, and I feel like it's gonna look better in black. And I might put some gold trim on the front, like right here. I might put gold trim on it, black at the edge, then gold trim here. I might put some gold trim on it, guys. I'm thinking if I should go ahead and put some gold trim, but I feel like it's gonna look much better in black, and like if I put the gold trimming on it, it will look nice with black and gold, because that's the theme I'm going with. Changing up, guys. I'm changing up, and it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm changing up. I'm getting rid of the brown. I'm tired of seeing the brown pillows and the brown curtains, so I'm going with black, gold, and white, and I feel like it's gonna look really refreshed, glamorous, and beautiful. Stay tuned. This is the paint that I'm gonna be using. Let me just camera around so that you guys could see what's going on. You guys could see what's going on. Let's see where. Stay in the yard, okay? The wind is really high out here. I don't know why the wind is blowing so high. I feel like we're gonna get some rain. I think they did say we're gonna get rain. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get some rain. Let me turn it this way. I'm gonna be spray painting these, guys. dress this up this right here, put this here so, and put this one right here, and then I'm just gonna go in with the spray pen. I don't think I'm gonna do the back now because the back is not gonna show. I'm just gonna do the front and the sides. All right, hello. Uh-oh, I am sorry guys, I turned the phone the wrong way. Okay, there we go. Not a good day to spray paint. The wind is too high. Made a mistake right there. That part is running. I know it looks shine now, but trust me, it's gonna dry into matte black. The wind is killing me, but I'm gonna get this done. Uh-oh, I should have put my gloves on. What have I done? Okay, my friends, I spray painted both of the wall sconces and I forget to put the camera back on, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, right? Matte black. I think it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. I accidentally went too close when I'm painting, so this one has a little bit of dripping going on. The vase right there, but I could always turn it on this side, on the good side, right? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna give it another coat. I'm gonna leave it in one coat, and I put a little up inside right there, so I think they're looking absolutely beautiful already. Can't wait to style with them. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, my friends, so I'm back inside. They're all painted. Now I'm thinking of putting some gold trim, like I said, on them. So I'm gonna try, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I think it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. I tried it on the wall and I feel like it's too plain, and so I said let me put some gold trim to see if it's gonna pop. I think it's gonna pop really nice. So I'm putting the gold trim in the middle square. I'm not gonna put it on the outer square. I'm only putting it right there in the middle because I don't want to cover the whole thing. I want a contrast of black and gold. I think it's gonna turn out absolutely beautiful. Now when you're doing this, you have to be very careful because you don't want the gold tape to wrinkle. And so as long as you catch it in a straight line, it should be okay. So that's why you see me taking it off and redoing it because it was leaning, and I'm trying to get it into a straight line. As long as you have it into a straight line, it's good to go, guys. And like I said, you want to take your finger to press it out a little bit as you go along because you do not want the gold tape to wrinkle and then it's going to look shabby. So I try my best to press it out and not to leave any ear pockets inside, because when it wrinkles it leaves the ear pockets. You don't want that, so you press it out. It's like putting on a wallpaper onto a wall. That's pretty much what it is. Pretty simple, guys, and I think it's gonna turn out fabulous. Drop me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Well, there you have it, my friends. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the outcome of it, but I want to hear from you. I feel like this looks absolutely beautiful against the wall, guys. But drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, guys. Please drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you're enjoying these behind the scenes videos, guys. And also, if you're not yet a subscriber, well, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You will love it here, and I would love to have you here. Until next time, guys, be creative and be blessed. I'll catch you in the next one.